Low waist, fat ass bitch, tap in. Tap, tap, tap in. Diamonds dancing on your neck, nigga, tap in. Tap, tap, tap in. Fucking nigga, get rich, bitch, tap in. Tap, tap, tap in. MLB, icy gang, nigga, tap in. Yeah. Tap, tap, tap.
Guys, today is Wednesday. I only get I got 3 classes today, and I gotta go to the store, and I need to edit. Well, I just edit and I'm uploading now, so I don't have to do that. I did that before class. And then I need to finish cleaning up and organizing my room because I have new in-between stuff on the way for the relaunch. The date gonna be dropping soon, so just stay tuned for that. But I'm about to ready and go on school, so I will talk to you guys when I'm walking into my first class. I'm not gonna really be talking that much today. You know what I'm saying? Because I really do be running my mouth too much. So I'm just going to record me going to class. And I'm going to the store later. And then, yeah. I wrote out my agenda, what I'm going to be doing for, like, the next 3 to 4 days. So I can be, like, organized and things like that. Because I need to be organized so I can accomplish all my goals and stuff that I have set for this year. But I'll see you guys when I walk into my first class. Y'all, with my friend walking me to class. Yeah, my feet is cold, like beyond me. Girl, that's going down.
Ready to go to class? This is legit. This is cold as fuck. Mm-hmm.
It's the fact that why this door never open.
This shit right there.
And the door's locked. Hello?
Wednesday, everyone to call you. Okay.
Yeah, I'm on my way to my second class. I have to use the bathroom first, though. And my teacher not on time either because I just saw him. But I'm having a really good day. So that's very good. How y'all day going? Because mine is very lovely. I'm up in my 4th class. It starts at 4 o'clock. Got my green tea. These are really good. Let me put y'all on. Well, my hands say y'all put on some lotion, but for my last class of the day. See y'all when I'm on my way to the grocery store. Yeah, I'm out the store now. I'm out the store now. I was on the phone with my sister literally the whole time I was at the store. So, yeah. But I ain't do nothing but get some stuff for my friend Dizzy. Let's hurry up. Well, let me take my motherfucking bacon out of her. Cause that's for me in the morning. For breakfast. My car is really dirty and I never care. Never care. Go right there. Ooh. My bad, y'all had to see my dirty feet, but it's okay. But I'll check back in with y'all tomorrow because I'm just going home to really like just finish cleaning up my room. So yeah. See y'all tomorrow. I'm going somewhere because I know I'm supposed to be going somewhere. So yeah. See y'all tomorrow. Okay, y'all. Yesterday I ain't do nothing but go to the bank and really relax. But I'm at the nail shop and it really look like really trying in here. Like, is somebody even in here? Because it's giving very much closed vibes. That's the vibes it's giving, but they open. My nails and my feet is done. That's gonna get these eyebrows done. But I'll show y'all my eyebrows when they done and then call y'all back. Okay, y'all, so I'm opening up some of the inventory stuff that came in. So in here we got some more squeeze tools and some more syringes, which I got from Amazon, by the way. Then these are, okay, well they kind of been flying, but okay. These are some secrets and stuff that we using for the lip gloss collection that y'all will see me make very, very soon. In this box, we got 150 tools. Well, these are tops. These are the stoppers you need. Just stop. Well, they already come with your tools anyway, so yeah. And then these are extra tools. And I already got tubes too already in my little cubicle. So I think I got almost 300 tubes. And then this, my vendor where my lip gloss they're making for me. The rest I'm gonna be making myself, but these is our classic collection. Yeah. And then more tubes. For those go on tubes, now these is squeeze. I don't order a lot of these because I want the main focus to be on the new lip gloss. So yeah. Stay tuned for the new collection. And there's just a whole bunch of tubes in here. And then I have ordered some jars too. This is already a color that we already have. This is one of our new colors. So yeah. And then this is also a new color as well. Y'all probably can't even see that good, but it's like a galaxy color. Y'all gonna see it in the next video. But I just wanted to show y'all some of the new inventory, because all the other stuff already opened. So yeah. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And hit the bell so you get notified when I post. And I will be uploading today. Actually, I'm finna record. Well, I'm finishing up this video, and then I gotta record 2 more videos today, and I'm editing and uploading today. So be on the lookout for that. I'm gonna try my best to upload every single day until the beginning of the new month. I already missed yesterday, but it's okay, cause yeah, I'm finna have good content on the way. But see y'all in the next video. Yada 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 body yada 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 yada